How to transfer money from your CommBank to your CommSec. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money to your CommSec wallet so that you can buy IPOs or do other tradings from CommSec. So to do that, first of all, go to your NetBank from CommBank. Now simply log into your NetBank. And once you've done that, simply go to the quick pay option. Now select from which account you'd like to transfer and then select CDIA account and simply enter the amount you want to transfer. So for now, let me simply put $10. Tap on the option next, and then once you tap on the option transfer, you'll have successfully sent money from your CommBank account to your CommSec account, which is basically your CDIA account. And now if you go to your CommSec account, so for now, let me simply log in. Now you'll have successfully gotten the $10 on your CommSec account. So for now, let me simply go to international. And now it'll take a few minutes, but after that, instead of AUD00, you will see $10, which I just transferred earlier. So that is basically how you transfer money from your CommBank account to your CDIA or your CommSec account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.